see that.
Do you think it's possible that you can solve this Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes?
I think I could try that.
Do you think so?
Mm-hmm.
So I've been getting it all mixed up really good for a while now.
Do you know how to solve Rubik's Cube?
Not very well.
You've done it once.
With her help.
With my assistance.
But today we have a challenge. Can Drew solve this Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes? Let's find out. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
So wait, show the camera it's all mixed up.
Yep, it's all mixed up. It's pretty mixed up there. Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Starting the clock. 3, 2, 1, go. Here he goes.
I'm all nervous.
Yeah, no pressure. So much concentration. Our cat is going crazy right now. You got 2:30. It's looking good.
One side's done.
Oh. So much concentration.
You're really making me nervous.
I don't know if it's even possible.
It's definitely possible. Second row is done.
You got about 1 minute and 50 seconds. Still going. It's looking good. I think you probably need another 6-7 minutes though.
So, right.
Can this challenge be done?
Okay, I have the yellow cross. Now I just have to make sure everything is in the right spot.
You act like you have all the time in the world.
How much time do I have left?
1 minute 10. Can this be done? Oh, look at that. Completed in about 55 seconds, I would say.
Left.
Yep. Good job.
Did it
That's
in under
crazy.
3 minutes.
So it can be done. Solving Rubik's Cube.
Boom.
Boom. On to the next challenge.